Cautious start to the week as global and domestic risks loom. GIFT Nifty signals continued caution as Dalal Street faces multiple headwinds, including heavy FII outflows, geopolitical tensions, and inflation risks. With inflation expected to moderate by Q4 according to RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, concerns about the global conflict's impact on oil prices and trade persist. As we start a fresh new week, GIFT Nifty continues to trade with caution. Dark clouds continue to hover at Dalal Street as the trading theme still revolves around 1. Intense FII selling. This October month, FIIs have pulled out over 1,242 crore rupees from Indian equities. 2. Tensions mount in Middle East after Israeli strikes on Iran. 3. WTI oil futures prices jump above $71.75 a barrel as perceived risk of wider conflict in the Middle East that could disrupt supply. Long story short, Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das has also said that inflation to moderate from fourth quarter but global conflicts pose risks. Nifty's downside risk and its biggest support continues to be at its 200 DMA at 23,380 mark. Market trends. Global cues are neutral. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3037 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 4159 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating nervousness with bearish candles. Fano October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is consolidating near 14.63 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 0.75 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.64. Nifty outlook, upside likely to be capped. Nifty may waver in an up and down session. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4181. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,779 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,523 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,900 and 2350. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 50757. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,194 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,713 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,105 and 1300. Bias for the day is neutral. Need to know. Wall Street ended mostly lower in Friday's trade as the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell for a fifth session in a row. The Nasdaq, however, rose in Friday's trade and was up for the seventh week in a row. The yield on the 2-year US Treasury note was up to 4.096%. The 10-year yield was up to 4.232%. All eyes will now be on next week's October jobs report, which could have major implications for yields and equities. A stronger than expected print could force the Fed to hold at the upcoming meeting. Anxiety actually prevails ahead of US elections where voters go to the polls on 5th November to elect their next president. The big question, whether United States of America will get its first woman president or Donald Trump will get a second term. Buzzing stocks. ICICI Bank, India's second-largest private lender, posted robust results for the July to September quarter, Q2 FY25, with net profit surging 14.5% year-on-year to 11,746 crore rupees, surpassing street expectations. Net interest income, NII, rose 9.5% year-over-year to 20,048 crore rupees, reflecting steady growth, although the bank's net interest margin, NIM, dipped 26 basis points, BPS, to 4.27%. Rec Q2 results, net profit grows 7% to 4,037 rupees CR on higher income. DLF sales bookings increased 66% to 7,094 crore rupees in the first half of this fiscal on strong housing demand. Its sales bookings stood at 4,268 crore rupees in the year-ago period. However, in the second quarter of 2024-25, the sales bookings fell 69% to 692 crore rupees from 2,228 crore rupees a year ago.